going outdoor is because no matter how far, initial sincerity always moves us. Life is long, so long we almost forget. The sky was once so blue, life was once so simple. Some say life has no standard answers. Instead of imagining, explore the beauty of wilderness firsthand. Outdoors brings you closer to the life you desire. In these simple moments lies the remedy for living. As they say, life may pose endless woes, but the barbecue feast solves all those. The smoky aroma of grilled skewers heals the everyday grievances endured. Words in the cup, people in the heart, sincere words between friends, all within this light and smoke. Gentle breeze, enticing food, enchanting light, late night stories make this ordinary night into one full of charm. Under the car headlights, summer, beer, barbecue, old friends. In the adult world, a rare romance indeed. We love the outdoors for its perpetual freedom, believing that in the open air, light will always shine upon you, and you will sparkle brightly too. NAOEVO, life for a better life.